moon. Clear? You have to write in chat box, when does the solar eclipse occur? Yes, lunar eclipse. Okay, when does the lunar eclipse occur? Picture is in front of you. Okay, you can explain in one line. Okay, Jashan, unmute yourself. Others can write.
when
Yes, beta.
when the when the earth becomes between the sun and moon is called lunar eclipse.
Yes, a good effort. When Earth, when Sun, Moon, and Earth, they are in a straight line, and Earth is in between Sun and Moon. Okay, because Earth revolves around the Sun and Moon revolves around the Earth. Sometimes they are, when they are in a straight line, तीनों एक ही line में होते हैं, and Earth is in between the Sun and Moon, then shadow of the Earth cast on the Moon. Okay, then lunar eclipse occurs. Now there are two parts of shadow. One is called umbra and other is called penumbra. आप देखोगे आपको एक डार्क शेडो दिख रही है जहाँ पे मून लोकेटेड है, तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा डिम लाइट वाला एरिया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड penumbra. And the part of the shadow where sunlight is completely blocked, that is called umbra. जहाँ पे डार्क शेडो होती है वो उस शेडो के पार्ट को हम कहते हैं अम्ब्रा. जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी डिम लाइट होती है, थोड़ी सी लाइट पहुंचती है, ओके, ज्यादा डार्क नहीं होता, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड पेनम्ब्रा. नेक्स्ट, when does the solar eclipse occurs? Picture is in front of you. Who will explain? जी बेटा. जसनूर, unmute yourself beta. When does solar eclipse occur?
A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the sun and the earth.
And they are in.
A straight line.
Yes, good. They, when they are in the straight line, when sun, earth and moon are in the straight line and moon comes in between the earth and the sun, then shadow of the moon cast on the earth. मून की जो शेडो है वो अर्थ पे पड़ती है, then it is lunar eclipse. Here you can see umbra and penumbra. Part of the shadow that completely blocks the light, जहाँ पे बिल्कुल डार्क शेडो होती है, that is called umbra. और जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी लाइट थोड़ी सी पहुंच जाती है, that is called penumbra. The part of the shadow where light is not completely blocked. Okay, some part of the light reaches over there, that part is called penumbra. Shubham? Yes, beta. Shubham, who is by the name of Shubham? Yes, beta. Unmute yourself. Shubham, unmute yourself and explain again what do you mean by solar eclipse. Are you listening, beta? And when you are on laptop and then again you are means you, when you have the mobile also and you don't concentrate, it means you are playing games. Is it like that? You are not listening me. Okay, when you are in the class, only listen what's going on in the class, concentrate in studies. Yes, आप बेटा explain करोगे what do you mean by solar eclipse? Yes, Parneet. What do you mean by solar eclipse? When does it occur?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta.
Ma'am, when moon comes between sun and the earth.
Yes. And shadow of the moon cast on earth.
Earth.
Because moon blocks the sunlight. Moon सामने आ जाता है, तो it blocks sunlight. Sunlight does not reach the earth. So that part of the earth is under the shadow of moon. Then solar eclipse occurs. Clear? And umbra is the dark shadow. Penumbra is the part of the shadow where some light reaches. Some part of the light reaches. Then next is recognize the shape of the moon. Yes, this is the shape of the moon. आप देख सकते हो कि moon does not change its shape, but we are looking at only the visible or lighted shape of the moon. बाकी part भी आपको दिख रहा है, that is blue in color. It is also over there, but जो हमें bright दिख रहा है part, that is the lighted shape of the moon. Yes, Pranay beta. Which phase of the moon is this?
Crescent moon.
Crescent moon. Okay, when we look at the arc of the moon. Now recognize this shape. You can write in the chat box also. Hanji beta. Manpreet.
Ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, full moon.
Full moon. Okay, this is full moon. पूरे का पूरा moon जो है, it is visible. And this one,
Half moon.
half moon. Okay, it is half moon. Half of the moon is visible and half of the moon is not lighted, so it is not visible. Next, this one. Yes, Shreyan.
Gibbous moon.
Yes, this is gibbous moon. Okay, then gibbous moon will be followed by the full moon. Okay, then after that, fill in the blanks. If I ask you, then you have to unmute and answer. What is the diameter of the sun? Diameter of the sun is about dash kilometer. Okay, during the previous class, I forgot to write millions. That's why I'm going to repeat this once more. Diameter of the sun is about dash kilometer. Yes. Maulik, unmute yourself, beta. Diameter.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Ma'am, 1.39 km.
Not km. km से पहले क्या आएगा? मिलियन. 1.3 किलोमीटर तो बहुत कम होता है. ओके, इन दैट क्लास बोला मैंने मिलियन था, बट वो रिटर्न में नहीं था. दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू डू इट अगेन. Diameter of sun is about 1.39 million kilometer. You have to write million also. Okay. The next is moon takes about 27.3 hours to dash around the earth. Moon revolves around the earth and it takes 27.3 hours, near about that, to complete one dash. Yes, Ravleen. What will be the answer?
Revolution.
Revolution. Moon takes about 27.3 hours to complete one revolution around the Earth. Now, Aries is a dash planet. Aries is the dash planet. Manpreet, unmute beta. Unmute yourself first.
Ma'am, dwarf planet.
Very good. Aries is a dwarf planet. There are 5 dwarf planets. Pluto is one of them now. And Aries भी एक dwarf planet है. Dwarf planet means having mass less than Mercury. Next is the dash is the main source of energy in the solar system. The dash is the main source of energy in the solar system. Sanvi, unmute yourself, beta. The dash is the main source of energy in the solar system.
Ma'am, sun.
Sun.
The sun is the main.
Very good. The sun is the main source of energy in the solar system. It is the ultimate source of energy. Directly or indirectly, we depend on solar energy. Okay. Plants trap this energy first of all by photosynthesis. They prepare their food and we depend on it for the food, for the energy. Next is dash occur when the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line. Yes, Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji beta, do the 5th one.
Lunar eclipse.
तो सोलर इक्लिप्स होता है तब नहीं लाइन में होते.
मैम होते हैं.
फिर आपने क्या लिखना है?
Eclipse.
Eclipses occur. Okay. There will be solar eclipse. अगर मून सेंटर में है, अगर अर्थ सेंटर में है तो there will be lunar eclipse. But यहाँ पे आएगा eclipses occur when sun, earth and moon are in a straight line. Okay. These are the answers. Diameter of sun is about 1.39 million kilometer. आप अकेला किलोमीटर नहीं लिखोगे. Clear? And next is you have to name.
मैम,
जी बोलिए.
मैम इक्लिप्स को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
ग्रहण, सूर्य ग्रहण, चंद्र ग्रहण. Now you have to name these. First of all, write down the names of inner planets. Write in the chat box names of the inner planets. Names of the inner planets. Yes, Abhay, unmute yourself and name these.
मैम मरकुरी,
Yes.
वीनस,
Hanji.
मार्स,
Hanji.
अर्थ.
Mercury,
Earth.
Venus, Mars, Earth. आप सीक्वेंस में बोलोगे in order to the increasing distance from the sun. सबसे पहले
मरकुरी,
Mercury, then
मार्स,
Venus.
वीनस
Venus,
एंड अर्थ.
Earth and then Mars. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Mars Earth के बाद में आता है. Can you name the outer planets also? Yes, Nitish, आप बोलो बेटा outer planets.
मैम जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून.
Yes, Jupiter. उसके बाद Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. These are the names of inner planets, and inner planets are separated from outer planets by asteroid belt. It is present in the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. नेक्स्ट टू ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट्स. एक एरिस अभी हमने फिलिप्स में किया, आपने उसका नाम नहीं लिखना. राइट द नेम ऑफ अदर प्लैनेट्स. एरिस के बिना आप दो और प्लैनेट्स, ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट्स के नेम लिखोगे. राइट इट. जी बेटा.
मैम कैन आई स्पीक?
यस बेटा बोलिए.
मैम प्लूटो, मैम इराइज.
प्लूटो एंड
इराइज.
एरीज तो अभी हमने बोला. यू कैन राइट प्लूटो एंड यू कैन राइट मेक. क्लियर? Pluto is there, Makemake is there. One more is Haumea, Haumea. Clear? Another one is Pluto. So these are the dwarf planets which has mass less than the mass of Mercury. Now two minerals present in mantle. Yashu? Yes, beta, unmute yourself. Yashu Madan, can you name the minerals present in the middle layer of the earth that is called mantle?
Ma'am, no.
Can you name 3 layers of the earth?
Ma'am, no.
No, ये तो आना चाहिए. अर्थ की
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Ma'am, crust.
Crust.
Core, mantle.
पहले mantle आएगी, then core. Okay, crust is the outermost layer where we live. It has all the essential materials required for the life, to sustain life. Center one is mantle. Okay, then core. Core has 2 layers, inner and outer. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं मेंटल की, तो मेंटल में क्या होता है? Who will tell? Raise hand बेटा. Who knows the minerals present over there? Hanji Jashan.
Magma and iron.
Magma means molten rocks. Okay. Iron is there and magnesium is there.
Okay, ma'am.
जी, magnesium and iron are the minerals. Main minerals और भी होते हैं. These are the mainly present over there. Main minerals. Okay, and these are solid in outer layer of the mantle, outer part of the mantle, and the upper part, lower part has magma. Magma means these minerals are present in molten state. These minerals are present in molten state over there in the lower part of the mantle. Mantle की lower part में magma present होता है. And what do we call when it comes out of the earth? When there is a volcano eruption, during the volcano eruption, magma comes out. What do we call? तब हम इसे क्या कहते हैं? Yes, what do we call it? We call it lava. Okay, so 2 minerals present in mantle, magnesium and iron, mainly जो present होते. Now 2 moon missions of India. Name the 2 moon missions of India. Moon missions means जो हमने spacecrafts भेजे हैं moon पे. What are the names?
May I?
Yes, Krishav.
May I?
No, beta.
Ma'am, Chandrayaan 1 and 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, Chandrayaan 1 and 2.
Very good. Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. These are the 2 moon missions. Next is give reasons. आपको reason बताना है. I'll give the hint. Clear? I want if you have read the chapter thoroughly, so you can answer these. We cannot hear the sounds on moon. What's the reason behind that?
Ma'am, may I speak?
निधि आप बोलिए बेटा. निधि पाठक, unmute yourself बेटा.
Ma'am, may I?
No, let her speak. You have to keep muted.
We cannot hear the sounds on moon.
Niधि.
Space.
You can try better. I'll help you.
Okay, ma'am. Because it has no wind.
Yes, it has no atmosphere. Clear? We cannot
Atmosphere.
hear the sound
Okay.
because there is no medium
Air.
sound waves. वहाँ पे कोई atmosphere नहीं है, air नहीं है to carry the sound waves. So because sound needs a medium to travel, there is no air, no medium for the sound waves to travel, so we cannot hear the sounds on the moon. Clear? Next is objects weigh light on the moon. We can say lighter on the moon. आपका वेट जितना धरती पे होता है, इफ यू गो ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मून, तो आप लाइटर हो जाओगे वहां पे. और व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट?
Ma'am, may I?
नो बेटा.
Ma'am, may I?
नो आई
Ma'am, may I speak?
you have
Ma'am, may I?
don't say
May I?
don't say may I. Mansi, unmute yourself, and you have to keep your videos on. Are you there, Mansi? Prabjot ma'am, kindly check it.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Anshpreet, turn the video on and answer it. Objects weigh lighter on the surface of moon. Mudit,
Ma'am, because there is no gravity.
no gravity नहीं कहेंगे, less gravity, less than Earth. It is 1/6 of the gravity of Earth. Gravity makes things heavier or lighter. Our weight is due to gravity. Earth की gravitational pull ज़्यादा है. That's why we are heavier on Earth than the surface of the moon. So moon's gravity is 1/6 to that of the Earth. तो हमारा वेट भी वहां पे 1/6 रह जाएगा. जितना आपका वेट अर्थ पे है, divide it by 6, so that will be the weight of you on moon. Okay, next is moon changes shapes. Why does moon change its shapes? What's the reason behind that? Netik, unmute yourself and answer it. Moon changes shapes. Try it, beta. Are you there? Kapish, Sachit,
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए.
Ma'am, because the moon doesn't change its shape, it is the shape of its lighted part.
नो, मून शेप, मून की चेंज ही क्यों, हमें चेंज शेप क्यों दिखती है? आपको हिंट मैंने दिया कि मून डज नॉट हैव इट्स ओन लाइट, तो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन बाय यूजिंग दिस लाइन.
मैम, मून की अपनी लाइट नहीं होती है, वो सन की लाइट यूज करता है.
Yes, moon does not have its own light. Okay, it revolves around the,
If
okay, we are able to
okay,
see
ma'am.
the part of the moon which receives light, sunlight, and it reflects the light, that's why it shines. Okay, so only at one time only a part of moon shines, and that part is visible to us. We call it shape of the moon. So it does not remain the same. The lighted shape of the lighted part changes every night. That is called phases of the moon. Now Earth is called blue planet. Why do we call it blue planet, Karman? Karman, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, because it's most of the parts are covered with water.
Yes, most of the part of Earth's surface is covered with water. Can you tell the percentage? Yes, water covers about dash percent of Earth's surface. How much? It covers about
No, I don't know.
70%.
I don't know.
Because 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. So it looks blue in color. So we call it blue planet. Clear? Now you have to state true or false. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the Jovian planets. Is it true or false, Bhuvnesh? Bhuvnesh, turn the
Ma'am,
video.
yes.
Is it true? They are called Jovian planets. Is it true, beta?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, may I?
No, it is false. We call them terrestrial planets because they have rocky surface, solid surface. So this is false. Next is the gravity of moon causes tides.
Ma'am, may I?
Gorika. Gorika, unmute yourself. Is it true or false? The gravity of moon causes tides.
Ma'am, may I?
No, Gorika is there.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am, may I?
beta, no, keep yourself muted. हाँ जी गौरिका बोलिए. Gravity of the moon causes tides. Is it true or false? Manjot. Manjot Kaur.
Ma'am, may I?
Prabjot ma'am, जिनके videos off हैं, if they don't respond, remove them.
Ma'am, may
Okay, ma'am.
I?
Yes, नैतिक बोलिए.
Ma'am, true.
True. Okay, gravity of the moon causes tides means water of the seas and oceans is pulled by the moon. So water level rises and it lowers then. Now next is communication satellites help to find the exact location of people. Is it true?
Ma'am, may I?
Soumya,
Ma'am, may I?
don't say may I.
Ma'am,
Communication satellites help to find the location, exact location of people. हम track कर सकते हैं किसी को with the help of these satellites. Is it true?
ma'am, false.
False कैसे?
मैम मैम हम कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट से नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ, किससे कर सकते हैं?
मैम वो
Navigation. Okay, navigation satellites help to find the exact location of people. They are not communication satellites. Next, fourth one is Mangalyaan is a moon mission. Is it true?
Ma'am, may I?
Ashita, Mangalyaan is a moon mission. Is it true? Yes, Swayam Batra.
Ma'am, false.
False. Is it a moon mission? No, it is a Mars mission. Now we can hear the sounds on moon. हम मून पे साउंड्स को सुन सकते हैं? समरदीप,
May I?
Samardeep, are you there? Turn the video on. Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
Don't say beta may I. Let me see whether they are there or not. Nitish.
Ma'am, false.
False. We cannot hear. Okay. हम नहीं सुन सकते. And next, last one is Buzz Aldrin was the first person to set foot on the moon. Is it true? Sarah is there? Yes, unmute your.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
False.
तो correct it also. Correct it, beta. Yes, who was the first to set foot on the moon?
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
श्रेयान, हाँ जी आप बोलिए बेटा.
May I?
Who was the first?
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Ma'am, Neil Armstrong.
Ma'am,
Armstrong. Okay, who was? Neil Armstrong.